In this video, in 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you how to replace the fuel lift pump on John Deere PowerTech. This is 6.8 liters. Let's get started. Very simple. And first, we have a rag under the lift pump. Make sure we won't spill any diesel on the ground. Okay, we have to disconnect the fuel lines, one from the tank to the pump and another one from the pump to the filter. This is 6.8 liters John Deere 6-cylinder, same for 4 cylinders, 4.5 PowerTech diesel. Pretty simple. And yeah, we're going to disconnect those lines. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. Alright, 13mm socket, and we have to remove 2 mounting bolts like that. Yeah, if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. And here we go, we got the old lift pump out. 10,000 hours on this puppy, and it worked great. And compare side by side with the new part. This one I got from local John Deere brand dealer. Alright, clean up. Yes, let's clean the mounting surfaces. And if you have a weak lift pump, that's a problem. Okay, put a little bit oil on the O-ring, and engine is taking long to start. It might not even start. A sudden engine rappling and engine might die. And then you looked inside your fuel filter, the final filter, you see it's dry, it's no fuel, because pump couldn't lift it from the tank. Okay, and now we're putting in everything's back. Started those 2 mounting bolts by hand, 1, 2, and tied it with a ratchet. Yeah, and always good to replace the rubber grommets. And a new pump came with the O-ring already. We didn't do any of that. Okay, as you can see, I'm putting new fuel line grommets, and that will prevent your fuel lines to leak. And we have new grommets with the pump. Guys, if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, dislike it. Make sure you hit it twice. Okay, I put that grommet, and always start those fuel lines fittings by hand. It's so easy to cross thread them, and then you need to replace the adapter. Okay, same thing for the fuel line to the filter, and tie them with a wrench. And yeah, John Deere diesels, especially old school, they are very reliable. They burn a lot of fuel, they have decent power, and they're loud. Okay, I'm tightening those lines, make sure it won't leak. And now time to purge the air from the system. We have some. Okay, I cracked the bleeder bolt on top of the filter housing, and I start pumping my manual lift pump. And as you can see, air with the fuel started coming out, and I'm keep pumping, and pressure is building up inside the fuel filter housing. And now we have some pressure there. It's the way I'm doing it, works great for me. And you see it's still bubbling, and I'm just taking that screw out, and as you can see the pressure there, and more air is coming out. That's what we want to see. And yeah, this engine, like 6.8 5.4 short block 4 cylinders, is widely used on different John Deere vehicles. And yeah, let's tie that bolt down. And on agriculture equipment, tractors, so you see them on a backhoe. This is a 2054D logger, road builder, hydraulic excavator, and but same motor, same setup. This is not common rail diesel. And okay, let's fire up the motor. And yeah, you're right, we're going to check for any fuel leaks. And now it's running like a clock. And yeah, take care of your equipment, and your equipment will take care of you. We're looking for any leaks, and I have none. That's good. And it's always good to do all the type of repairs when engine is cold. And yeah, filters are very important, change them regularly. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Very appreciated your time, guys. Take care, and yeah, see you soon. Bye now.